I'm Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, and I'm answering the question, what is a shared shortcode? So first off, let's talk about what a shortcode is. A shortcode is a 5 to 6 digit phone number that is used by brands to send and receive text messages with consumers. So an example would be 12345 or 123456. You'll see them in many different places used by many different businesses. So what is a shared shortcode? A shared shortcode is when many different businesses, sometimes thousands or tens of thousands, are all using the same phone number. And they can do this by using different keywords on that phone number to interact with different brands. So here's how this works. Let's say the shortcode is 12345, and let's say it's a shared shortcode. That means the phone number is the same, but to opt in, let's say you have a pizza place and a retail store. The pizza place would use a different keyword, which would be the thing that people text to the shortcode, than the retail store. So to opt in to the retail store, I would text maybe retail, which would be my keyword, to the shared shortcode 12345. If I want to opt in to the pizza place, I would text pizza, which is the keyword, to the shared shortcode 12345. There are some issues, unfortunately, with shared shortcodes, but there's one big benefit of shared shortcodes. The big benefit we'll start off with is it is very inexpensive to use a shared shortcode. A shortcode is either going to be $1,000 a month or $500 a month for whoever owns the shortcode, depending on if it's vanity, which is like a really cool looking, good looking phone number, or a random phone number, which sometimes isn't so good looking. So $1,000 a month, $500 a month for the owner of the shortcode. Now, if you have tens of thousands or thousands of businesses using the same phone number, that owner of the shortcode is still only paying $1,000 or $500 a month. So that means that each business could pay, maybe even pitch in $1. And if you have 10,000 customers all using the same shortcode, the same shared shortcode, then that person would be making $10,000. They'd be making $9,000 off the $1,000 cost of the phone number. So it allows small businesses to use a shortcode where maybe they couldn't buy their own shortcode because 1,000 is out of their price range. So that's the big benefit to a shared shortcode. It's inexpensive to use. The business that are using, the owner still pays $1,000 a month or $500, but the brands, all those different brands that are kind of sharing the code, they can pay anywhere from $0 to a couple bucks a month. Now there are a bunch of negatives though, unfortunately. A shared shortcode means that everybody, all the thousands or tens of thousands of businesses that are using that shortcode, they're all responsible for using the shortcode properly. If one of those thousands or tens of thousands of businesses misuses the shortcode, the wireless carrier will shut down the entire shortcode. So you can see the problem there. If you are a legitimate business and you're using a shared shortcode, your shortcode could be shut down because somebody else using the shortcode misuses the shortcode. There are some other issues too. If you text in a random word or you mistype a keyword into a shared shortcode, you're going to get a response from the shortcode owner, not a response from your business to help the consumer out. That's usually a negative kind of experience for the customer. Also, with a shared shortcode, when you receive the text messages, let's say you've opted in to multiple businesses on the same phone number, the same shortcode, let's say the pizza place and the retail store, the messages are actually going to come from the same phone number and be in the same thread, which is sometimes confusing for people, especially if competitors are using the same phone number, the same shared shortcode. Also, another negative is brand. If you're concerned about your brand, you don't know who is using that phone number as well. So there might be businesses that are advertising text something to 12345 that you might not be really keen on associating yourself with, and you have your brand over here saying the same thing to the same phone number. Some people think that maybe there might be a relation. So that's always a concern too. So if you're usually a larger brand or you're concerned about your brand, that's when you want to move to a dedicated shortcode. If you're a small one-off location business and you just can't afford a dedicated shortcode, really a shared shortcode is a good option for you. So that's answering the question, what is a shared shortcode?